Good morning, children. I am Juveria Ismail Shaikh from Shri Crossroad MPS School. Students, what you see in this picture? What is this all? Hello, students. What is this? These are shapes. Okay, what are these? These are shapes. Which shape is this? Yes, anybody can tell what which shape is this?
Triangle,
Yes, triangle. And this?
circle,
Yes. Which shape is this?
rectangle,
Tell the other names also, beta.
heart, square,
Hmm. Hmm.
oval,
Yes.
star.
Hmm.
Which is that, teacher?
Diamond
Diamond,
and octagon.
octagon.
Yes. Now see, children, here what you see? There are so many objects, right? Now all these objects have their own shapes. Okay, they all are having their own shapes. Now see, what is this?
Box, box,
This is a box. And which shape the box has?
square, square,
Square shape. Very good. What is this?
bus,
Bus. And which shape this bus is having?
rectangle,
Very good. Rectangle. See the sun. And sun, which shape is sun is having?
circle, circle,
Circle shape. Now see, what is this dustbin? What is this? Dustbin. Which shape this dustbin is having?
oval,
Cylinder. Okay. The shape is like a cylinder. Now, students, by this we come to know that all objects have their own shapes. Okay, they are having their shapes. Now, see in this picture, what this boy is doing?
drawing,
He is drawing. Now, on what he is drawing? Whether he is drawing on notebook or on a paper, what he is drawing and where it is he is drawing?
doll,
Yes, he is drawing on a paper. Okay. Now, see, children, the objects which we can draw on a paper, they are known as two-dimensional objects. What they are known as? Two-dimensional objects. Okay. See, it is a circle. Okay. It is a triangle. It is a rectangle. And this is a square. Okay. So objects having length. Length means this side. And the breadth. But no thickness or a negligible thickness are called two-dimensional objects. Okay. From now see, like this object, like this plain objects we can draw on paper. We can draw on floor. We can draw on wall. These plain objects are known as two-dimensional objects. They are also known as 2D pictures. What they are known as 2D pictures, which we are drawing on a paper, they are known as 2D pictures. So same like that, three-dimensional objects are also there. Okay, the things which we see around us, they are known as three-dimensional objects. So children, have you seen bottle, book, or
yes,
pot? They all are.
yes,
Yes, so all these objects which we can see, which we can feel, they all are three-dimensional objects. Now see, here the definition is given. Who will read?
object having length, breadth,
Hmm? Hmm? And height,
what is that, teacher?
width.
Height, thickness are
Hmm?
called three-dimensional objects.
Yes, now see what is three-dimensional objects. So see, objects having length, breadth, and height are called three-dimensional objects. See, in this here, they are two-dimensional objects. Why? Because they are having only length and breadth. What they are having? Only length and breadth. Okay. But in three-dimensional objects, the objects are having length, breadth, and height also. Okay. For example, see the picture. What is this? What is this?
Compass.
Yes, this is a compass. Now see, in this compass, we are able to see the top part. है ना? Top part is visible. We can see from this side also to the compass, and this side, front side is also visible. Okay, so this is a three-dimensional object. Okay, in this we are able to see length, breadth, and height also. So this is a three-dimensional object. Okay, now see, this is what is this? Which picture is this?
Book.
Yes, this is a book. Now here in this also, in this picture we are able to see the top face, the side face, and the front face also. So this is also a three-dimensional object. Okay. Now see, what is this?
Cupboard.
Cupboard. This is a cupboard. In this picture also we are able to see the front face. We are able to see the side face, right? So this is also a, and also these edges we can able to see. So this is a three-dimensional object. What is this? Three-dimensional objects. Why three-dimensional objects? Because they are having length, breadth, and height. Okay. Why they are three-dimensional objects? What they are having? Read. Length, breadth, and height. Okay. And what are two-dimensional objects? They are having only length and breadth. Okay, see, this is length. This is length downside. And this is breadth. They are having only this two, length and breadth. But here, a three-dimensional objects are having length, breadth, and also height. Okay, so that is why these are three-dimensional objects. Understood? Now see, children, what do you see? What is this? They are 3D shapes. What they are? Reply me, beta. What is this? What do you see in this picture? All these are 3D shapes. Okay. This is a pyramid. This is a cube. This is a cone. This is a cuboid. Now see, in this, why this is 3D shapes? Because here they are having faces. Now we are able to see this side. We are able to also see this side. We can see the top side. So here we can feel the thickness of a object. Okay. Now see, in the pyramid also we are able to see these edges. These are edges. These are vertices. So we are able to see this. We are able to feel these figures. We are able to see the thickness also. So that is why these are 3D shapes. Which are, what are they? They are 3D shapes. Okay. See, for the circle in 3D shapes, we called it sphere. What we call sphere. Which shape is this?
Triangular.
Yes. Which shape is this?
Cylinder.
Cylinder shape. Yes. And this?
Hexagon.
Yes. Hexagonal prism. Now see. So what? Which shapes are they? They are 2D shapes or 3D shapes?
3D shapes.
3D shapes. And here, which we saw, these are 3D shapes or 2D shapes?
2D shapes.
Why they are 2D shapes?
Because we cannot look at their thickness.
Very good. We cannot look at their thickness. They are having only length and breadth. Okay, so that's why they are 2D shapes. And here we are able to see the thickness of the objects. They are having length, breadth, and height. So they are 3D objects. Okay. Now see, which shape is this?
Cube.
This is a cube. Okay. And this cube is having a faces now. See, this is a front face. Okay. This is a side face. And this is a top face. Okay. Which is this face?
Top face.
Top face. This.
Front face.
Very good. And this?
Side face.
Side face, huh? And this is a 3D figure. Okay. Now says children, when we are looking to the 3D figure, in 3D figures there are faces. Faces means the parts which we can see, and they are having edges also. Okay. These lines which are joining to other edges like this, they are known as edges. What they are known as?
Edges.
Edges. Okay. And where the edges are joining these corners, they are known as vertices. For single vertex we can call vertex, and if we are talking about many, we will call them vertices. So the 3D shapes are having faces, edges, and vertices. What they are having? What is this? Faces, these
edges,
very good, and this
vertices.
vertices. Okay, so this is a cube. This picture is of a cube. Now students, in this, see the picture. What you are able to see in this picture? What is this?
Book.
Yes, this is a book. Now see, here we have to tell the views. Okay, whether the view is of from above, or whether the view is from side or from front. Okay. Now see, this is a picture of book. Now if we look at this book from above, so this book will be visible like this. Okay. If we look at the book from front, so or side, this book will be visible like this. Okay. So this, when we are looking from above, that view is called above view. What it is called?
Above you.
Above view, or you can call it top view. Okay. Now when we are looking for a book from any side, suppose right side or left side, so that view is known as side view. What it is known as?
Side view.
Side view.
Side view. Because when we are looking for a book from side, we are able to see like this. The cover will be visible like this, and the pages will be visible like this. So this is a side view. Okay. Now which is this view?
Front view.
Top view, with a top view.
Top view.
And this?
Side view.
Side view. Very good. Now see, this is the picture. What is this in the picture?
Car.
Car is there,
Car.
and here so many views are given. Okay. Now if we look from the top to the car, so we will have a view of a car like this. Okay. So this view is called, what this view is called?
Top
view.
View. Yes. And if we look at the car from suppose right side, okay, so this will be the view of a car. And if we look to the car from left side, then this will be the view of a car. Okay. Now, which is this view?
Front view.
Front view.
Very good. If you look at the car from front, the car will be visible like this. And from back, if we look at the car, then the view will be like this. Okay. So, which is this view?
Top view.
Yes, it is a top view. This one?
Right view.
Right view.
Okay, very good. This one?
Left view.
Left view.
Yes. And this?
Front view.
Front view.
Front view. And this?
Back view. Back view.
Very good. Now see, again the another picture is there. What is this?
Cup.
Yes,
Cup.
this is a cups. Okay. Now see, here also there are views are given. Okay, this is a front view. Okay, if any cup is there and we are looking at that cup, we will get this view. If we look at the cup from side, we will get this view. And if we look at the cup from above, then we will get this view. Okay, so which is this view?
Front view.
Front view. This
Side view.
Side view.
side view. And this,
Top
Above
view.
view.
yes, above view or top view. Children, do you know when every object is kept and when we are looking at that object, the from different angles that object will be visible different. Okay, from front it will be looking different, from side it will be looking different. Okay, now see, this is picture of what is
Bottle.
this? This is
Bottle.
a bottle. Okay,
Bottles.
now see, when we are looking to a bottle from front, then the bottle will be look like this. Okay, now if we are looking to the bottle from side, then the bottle will look like this. From back, this bottle will look like this. Okay, and if we look to the bottle from top, then the view should will be like this. Okay, so which is this view?
Front
Front
view.
view.
Yes, this is a front view. This,
Side view.
View.
yes, side view. And this,
Back
Back
view.
view.
back view. And this is a
Top
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 view.
view.
view. Okay, now see, these are sipper bottle and mug. Now in this also you have to tell the views. Which is this view?
Front view.
Yes, this is a front view.
Side view.
View.
This is a side view. And this
Top view.
Top view.
top view. Very good. Now see, here the elephant is given and cupboard is given. Okay. Now see the elephant. When we look at the elephant from front, it will look like this. If we look for the elephant from any side, then the elephant will be look like this. If we look for the animal elephant from above, then the elephant will look like this. Now which is this view, beta?
Front view.
Cupboard.
Front
Yes,
view.
this is a front view. And if we look to the cupboard from side, then
Side
Side
view.
view.
side view. And from top,
Top view.
Top view.
top view. Very good. Now see, this is a question for you. Okay. The first column shows a structure made of blocks. The other column shows different views of a structure in two dimensions. Say whether each view is from front, from side, or from above. Now see, in this what you have to show? You have to tell which is the front view, which is the side view, and which is the above view. Okay. Now here wait. Now here these are three dimensional shapes. Okay, see here we are able to see faces, right? So this is a three dimensional shape. Understood which shape is this? These three are three dimensional shapes, and the other remaining these three columns are of two dimensional shapes. Which are they?
Two
Two
dimensions.
And this
Three
Three
dimension
dimensions.
three
shapes.
dimensional shapes. Yes, why? Because here they are having length, they are having breadth, they are having the top faces also. So these are three dimensional shapes, and here we are able to feel their thickness. Okay, now here the faces are given, other sides are given, and we have to recognize, we have to identify which view is that. Okay, now see, if we look to this block from this side, okay, from this side, so which is this? This is front, or this is top, or this is side view?
Front view.
Front view. Very, very good. Wait, I will write here. So this is a front view. Now see this one. Which is this?
Side view.
Yes, side view. Because see, when we are looking to these blocks from this side, these two will be not visible to us. Only we are able to see this part. So this is a side view. Side. Okay. Now see. And this
Back
Top
view.
view.
above view. Yes, very good. Because when we will see from above, from here we will see, we will be visible to see only this side. We are not able to see this side or this side. So this is a above view. Now see. Now here some other blocks are given. So which is this view?
Top view.
Very good, top view. Because when we will look from this side, from top, then this part will be visible, this part will be visible, and this part will be visible. So this is a top view. Top view. Wait. And this next wala?
Side view.
Yes, this is a side view. Why side view? Because in this figure, if we look from this side, we are able to see this and this. We are not able to see these parts. So this is a side view. Side view. Okay. And now this
Top view.
Front view.
front view. See, we will look from this front side. Then we are able to see these three sides, which are these one. And this side, which is this. So this is a front view. Okay. Now see the third figure. Which is this view?
Top view.
Side view.
Side view. See, if we look from side, we are able to see this side. The cursor is not going down, but the down two sides. So this is the side view. Now see this one.
Side view.
This is front view, beta. Wait, I'll explain. See, now when we will look from front, okay, that time also we are able to see these three sides. That cursor is not going down, but see, we will able to see these three sides first and down two sides. That means this is a front side. And this last
Top.
top. See,
Above
why
side.
top? Yes, above side. This is visible and these three are visible. So from top, when we will look at this shape, it will be visible like this. So this is a above view. This above view. Understood these views, everybody?
Yes.
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 Now see students, now we are going to learn about nets. Just now what we learn about 3D shapes and their views. Okay. Now here we are going to learn about net. The two-dimensional shape from which a three-dimensional object can be made by folding it is called the net of that object. Okay. Now see students here, which is this shape?
Cube.
This is a cube. Now how and which shape? It is 2D shape or 3D?
3D shape.
Yes, this is a 3D shape. Now see, when this 3D shape we open, that time we get this net. Okay, and this is called an net. This, when we open this 3D shape, there only a two-dimensional shape is remaining, and this two-dimensional shape is known as net. Okay, now for this I will show you one video. Okay, look at that. See, students, we are going to learn about nets. Now, what are net? The two-dimensional shape from which a three-dimensional object can be made by folding it is called a net. Here I have made something for you. See, this is a two-dimensional shape at present now. Okay, but now when we fold it, now we will folding it, and after folding it, we get a 3D shape. See, now what is that? That is a cube. Okay, this is a cube. Now what we get? We get a 3D shape. Because why? Because 3D shapes are having faces, they are having edges, and also they are having vertices. Okay, so these are 3D shapes. The cube is having 6 faces, it is having 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, and when we again open that, we get a net, that is known as net. Now same like that, I have also made a net of cuboid also. Okay, now at present this is 2D shape, but when we fold it like this, we get a 3D shape here. Okay, this is also having faces, they are having edges, and also they are having vertices. The cuboid is also having 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Okay, but when we again unfold it, or when we again open it, we get a 2D shape, and that 2D shape is known as net. Okay, so that paper, that shape is a net. It is called a net. Okay, so these are makes in various ways. Okay, understood? So, seen beta, what is net? This shape is known as net. This is a two-dimensional shape. And if we fold it, okay, if we fold it, we will get a three-dimensional shape. And when we again unfold that, unfold means what? Again, when we will open that, then that shape will be 2D, and that shape is called a net. Okay, in cubes net there are how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many are there? How many squares are there?
Wo-
6 squares are there. Okay,
Six.
now yes, and all, see, squares are having all sides equal. Okay, so when we are having 6 squares, their size should be same. Okay, and when we will fold these squares, we will get a cube here. Okay, now see, this is a cuboid, and this is a net of cuboid. When we are drawing a net of cuboid, this is a 2D shape. What is this? 2D shape. Okay, and when we fold this 2D shape, then we will get a 3D shape. That is, we will get a cuboid. In this cuboid's net, there are 4 rectangles. How many rectangles are there? Hello, students.
Four. Four
Yes,
rectangles.
4. Yes, there are 4 rectangles. And how many squares are there?
Two rectangles. Two squares.
2 squares. Yes, 2 squares. Now see, these rectangle part will fold and it will look like this. And this square parts will come at this side. One from this side and one comes from this side. And we get here a cuboid. What we get here?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Yes, and this was cube. So what this is called?
Net.
Net. This is called a net. In simple way, net is what? A two-dimensional shape from which we can make three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional object by folding it is known as net. Okay. Now see children, here are some questions for you. Say whether each view is from front, from above, or from side. Okay. Now, wait, where it is? Children, which pictures are these? What is there in the picture?
Dog.
Dog is there. Which is this view?
Front view.
Yes, this is a front view. Wait, I'll write. This is a front view. And which is this other view? Which is this view from front or side or other? What is this?
Top view.
Yes, this is a top view. We can also call it above view. Okay, above view. Now, see, children, this is the next question where we can draw two-dimensional objects. Where we can draw two-dimensional objects. You all are making drawings.
Yes.
So, where you make?
On paper.
Yes, so that is the answer. So we can draw two-dimensional objects on paper. Whenever you are drawing something, suppose you are drawing, let's draw something. Okay. Now we will draw your flower. Okay. Now I am drawing a flower like this. So this is what two-dimensional figure or 3D shape, three-dimensional figure.
Two-dimensional figure.
Yes, this is a two-dimensional figure. Okay. Why it is two-dimensional figure?
Because we cannot look at their thick.
Yes, we are not able to see their thickness. Okay, so that's why where can we draw two-dimensional objects? So answer is we can draw two-dimensional objects on paper, on floor, and also on walls also. Okay, now see you are drawing rangolis. Rangolis are also a two-dimensional picture. Okay, we are drawing something decorative pictures on our wall. Oh, that is also a two-dimensional object. There also we are not able to see the thickness of the object. Oh, understood? What is two-dimensional objects and where we can draw it? Now see next. What is known as net of object? Now tell me what is known as net of object?
Net. If we open the
Hmm?
three-dimensional shape,
Hmm?
it will be called as net.
Very good. See, the two-dimensional shape from which a three-dimensional object can be made by folding is called a net. That means this part. Okay. Now see, this is at present a 2D shape. Okay, but when we fold this 2D shape from this side, and this side, we will get here a 3D shape. So this 2D shape is known as net. Okay. Now, next question. Identify the names of 3D shapes. Okay, you have to identify the names of 3D shapes. So, which is the shape? First one.
Cube.
Yes, this is a cube. Wait, we will write here. This is a cube. Which is the shape? Blue.
Cylinder.
Yes, this is a shape of cylinder. And which is the shape?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Very good. Wait. Okay, so these are shapes. Children, here also we will write. Wait. Here also we will write their shape names. Okay, their views. Which is this view?
Front view.
Above, top view or
Top.
above view, huh? Because when we will look from above, this is a above view. Which is this view?
Uh, Front view.
This is a side view. And this view?
Front.
Okay. Now see. In this shape, also we have to write their views. Which is this view?
Above view.
Yes, above view. Which is this view?
Right view.
Okay. But side view. Okay, so these two will be in side view. And this
Front view.
front view. And this is back view.
Back view.
Yes, this is a back view. Now in this we will write, which is this view?
Front view.
Wait, this is a front view. Which is this view?
Side view.
Side view. And this?
Above view.
Above. Okay. Now see the bottle. Which is this view?
Front view.
Front view. This
Side view.
side view. And this
Back view.
and this
Top view.
top view or above view. Okay. Very good. Now see sipper and mug. Sipper, what is sipper? You know? Small kids are drinking water from this. So this is known as sipper. Okay. So which is this view?
Front view.
Front view. This
Side view.
side view. And this
Top view.
top view. Very good. Now see in this it is written. Okay. That these are, wait, these are front views, these are side views, and these are above views. Okay. Now children, here I am giving you homework. Draw an above view of the given blocks. Above view, only above view you have to draw. You don't have to draw a side view or a front view. These three 3D objects are given, and from this you have to draw above view. That means this view. Understood? In the second question, make a net of cube and cuboid. You have to make a net of cube and cuboid. That's what I have shown you here. This part you have to make of a paper. Okay, this net. You will make now?
Yes.
This net you have to make and make a 3D shape. Okay, this cube and cuboid you have to make. And third question, who will read the third question?
Draw any two 3D shapes.
Yes, you have to draw any 3D shapes. Okay, how many you have to draw? 2. So understood? At last question I am asking to you all. What are 2D shapes? Who will answer me? What are 2D shapes?
2D shapes are the shapes which we cannot see their thickness. Thickness are
Yes,
2D shapes.
yes, and they can be drawn on a paper. Okay, on floor or on wall. And what are 3D shapes?
The objects having length, breadth, width, and height, thickness are called their three-dimensional objects.
Yes, they are called a three-dimensional objects or 3D shapes. Okay. So children, do your homework and send me. Okay. Bye children and thanks for joining.